In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add email to the Safe Sender list in Microsoft Outlook 365. This is the quickest way to make sure important messages stop landing in your junk email folder and arrive in your inbox every time. We'll walk through the exact screens you'll see in Outlook on the web, and I'll share a few practical tips along the way so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening your web browser and going to outlook.live.com. Sign in to your account if you aren't already. Once your mailbox loads, look to the top right corner of the page for the gear icon. That's the Settings button. Click it to open the Settings panel. If you see a compact panel, don't worry, that's normal. You're headed to the Full Settings view next. Inside Settings, find and select Mail. This switches the panel to show options specific to your email. It helps to think of this section as your control center for how Outlook handles messages, layouts, and rules. We're focused on email filtering today, so the next place to go is junk email. Click junk email to open the filtering controls. Within the junk email settings, look for safe senders and domains. This is the list that tells Outlook which senders you trust. Adding someone here signals to Outlook that messages from them shouldn't be flagged as junk. Click Add to begin. You'll see a field appear where you can type in the address you want to trust. Enter the exact email address carefully. A small typo can prevent the setting from working. If you receive messages from multiple addresses at the same organization, you can add their domain instead, like example.com. So mail from that entire domain is treated as safe. After typing the email address, click OK to confirm. You should now see the address appear in the Safe Senders and Domains list. That's your visual confirmation that the change is saved. Going forward, Outlook will use this list to prioritize messages from the sender you added and keep them out of the junk folder. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Only add senders you trust. Whitelisting unknown addresses can let unwanted mail bypass normal filters. If you change your mind later, you can return to the same page to remove an entry. And if you're using a work or school account, your organization's security policies may still apply, even for safe senders. That's it. You've successfully added an email to the Safe Sender list in Microsoft Outlook 365, ensuring their messages arrive where you expect them. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.